Action. This is Lacey's first attempt
to put lights on a tree.
to put lights on a Christmas tree.
I don't think it's going very well. I have a lot here, and then it's rather sparse. I guess we fill in with ornaments.
Or we just rearrange the lights a little bit after we get them turned on.
It's harder done than said. Easier said than done. But
Do you need a hand?
maybe.
Okay.
I don't know. You want to challenge me to doing lights better?
I don't want a challenge. I just want.
I know it sounds like a challenge.
I think you're trying to be clever because the camera's on.
I am trying to be clever because the camera's on.
I think.
Where do we get our tree, Matt?
At Wright's nursery.
It's our first Christmas tree. It's our third Christmas here. And Bruno is scared of the tree.
Paco, however, seems to be doing okay. He's pretty content right now.
I was kicking it.
I'm just going to zoom on this little man. Hey, Paco. Paco. There we go. Oh, now he's just going to... Oh, Lord. Okay. Okay.
Oh, now Paco likes the camera.
Yeah. Interesting. Bruno seems to be entertained. Good boys. All right. So we got a 6 to 7 foot tree, which actually looks nice. And once this fills out a little bit more, I get over my cold. This will go a little bit better. I usually would be helping Lacey right now, but I am very sick, as you can see. I do not probably look very well.
Now, what theme did you pick out for the tree this year?
We picked out a snowman theme for the tree, and that's
That's
why
why the hat's on there.
we need to trim that hat so it fit a little piece of faces us.
It keeps turning itself as I put on the lights, so we're going to have to wait and fix it at the end.
Alright, well, we'll fix it at the end. It's not biggie. Alright, well, I think that's it for now.
We'll check back with you later.
Okay, and we're off.